This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Rear shock replacement. Chock the front wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Loosen the rear wheel lug nuts, then raise the rear of the car and support it on jack stands. Remove the rear wheels. Support the frontmost lower control arm with a floor jack, near the shock absorber to be removed. Warning: the jack must remain in this position until the shock absorber is reinstalled. Remove the shock absorber upper mounting nut and bolt. Discard these upper fasteners as new ones must be used for installation. Remove the shock absorber lower mounting bolt. Remove the rear shock absorber. Install the shock absorber, then insert the new upper mounting bolt and screw on the new nut. Install the lower mounting bolt, threading it into place. Raise the lower control arm with the floor jack to simulate normal ride height. Tighten the lower mounting bolt to the specified torque setting. Tighten the new upper mounting nut and bolt to the specified torque setting. Remove the floor jack. Install the front wheel and lug nuts. Lower the car to the ground and tighten the wheel lug nuts to the specified torque setting. Unblock the wheels.